How's it going? This video is going to be a bit different from what you've seen on VPNs. Give me just 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's the plan for this video. Instead of wasting your time with stuff that doesn't really matter, or you probably don't care about, just to stretch the video to 15 minutes, I'm going to straight up tell you the best VPNs for WeChat Pay right now, and a few key points about each, so you can just pick one and move on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description where you can grab my full research doc for free and read it all year long. No joke. Alright, let's jump right in. Top 3 VPN services for WeChat Pay and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for WeChat Pay. Why? Well, it's totally compatible with WeChat Pay. That's huge if you want smooth transactions without any interruptions. Speed, it's literally one of the fastest I tested. Low latency, rock solid stable connection. Your payments go through instantly. No delays, no drops. Features, it's packed. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it. All designed to keep your financial data safe while using WeChat Pay. Pricing and support, affordable for what it offers, and support is top notch if you ever get stuck. Logs? Nope, no logs at all. That's a fact. Encryption? Best tech out there, making sure your WeChat Pay info stays completely private. Overall, super easy to use, fast, no issues, and reasonably priced for what you get. Negatives? Just a 10-device limit. Second best? IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no-nonsense VPN built for pure performance and privacy when handling mobile payments. Speed? Incredibly fast with consistent low latency. No hiccups or slowdowns. Your WeChat Pay just works smoothly every time. Features? All the essentials. Reliable kill switch and split tunneling so you can route only your WeChat Pay traffic through the VPN and keep other stuff out, or vice versa. No slowdowns. Pricing and support? Great value. Usually cheaper than competitors but delivers top-tier performance. Support is fast and helpful too. Logs? No logs, seriously. Independently audited no logs policy. Encryption? AES 256, the best encryption tech available. Negatives? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which makes privacy nerds a bit nervous. Plus, its server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, clean, fast, and secure. A set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Perfect for reliable, private WeChat Pay and great value. Third place goes to Private Internet Access, PIA. Why? Massive server network and the most customization options on this list. Perfect if you use WeChat Pay from different locations. Speed? Very good. With so many servers, you can always find a fast, uncrowded one nearby to keep payments smooth. Features? It's loaded. Kill switch, great ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN here, so you can tweak settings to protect your WeChat Pay data best. Pricing and support? Almost always the cheapest premium option here. Support is solid and professional. Logs? No logs. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Top-notch encryption tech, and it's even customizable. Negatives? Like IPVanish, it's US-based, plus the app isn't as clean or sleek as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. The best pick if you're on a budget but need a huge network and advanced features to keep WeChat Pay safe. That's it, my top 3 picks for WeChat Pay. NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick based on colors or logos, you'll be just fine. They all work perfectly for WeChat Pay. Quick recap, if you're still unsure, go with NordVPN if you want the absolute best all-around VPN for WeChat Pay. Premium feel, tons of features, and fast speeds. Pick IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that gives you killer value for your money. Choose PIA if you're on a budget, but still want a huge server network and advanced features to keep your WeChat Pay secure. My job here is done. I gave you the answers, so you don't have to waste time. I've dropped exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below, so you can get the best prices available. Thanks for hanging out. Now go pick one, and let me know in the comments which you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.